Okay. Friendly reminder to remember to check in on your friends who have lost loved ones, who've lost their jobs, and maybe grieving around this time of year. The holidays is not a happy time for a lot of people. I can attest, I lost my grandmother and my mother within about a year and a half of um, one another. And not many people know this actually, but I have a small family, and my father, my daughter, and I did not celebrate really Thanksgiving and Christmas for probably the first 5 years after my mother's death. Craziest thing. And it wasn't intentional, but I personally, and when I say my daughter, I was raising my daughter. So it's not like she was grown and making this decision. It was more, my dad and I, right? And for literally the first 4 or 5 years after my mom passed, because my mom was the last to pass. My grandmother passed about a year and a half before she did. And those were like the matriarchs, like holidays. They were planning holidays. I hosted like a few holidays here and there. Um, I don't know that was I living on my own? I don't know that I was hosting people like at my place. I think I did like a 4th of July. It's neither here nor there. But the point is that we gathered at my grandmother's house um, for holidays and every holiday. Well, especially Thanksgiving and especially Christmas. We would all get together, on Christmas and do different things, I think, for Christmas, but definitely Thanksgiving was at her house. She hosted, that was her thing. All my life, that's what she's done. And I'm sure all the years that she and my grandfather were married, she did that. He passed away and she was a widow, and she kept still kept the tradition going. And we would help her, of course, but it was always at her house. And so then when she passed away, I think we got together. Either I hosted Thanksgiving or my mom hosted Thanksgiving. I can't remember. But it was different that first year. And then when my mother passed away, it was totally difficult because they were great presences for that time of year. And so to have that level of change occur around the holidays was hard. And like clockwork, I would get sick every year about a week before Thanksgiving. And it would literally last through the new year. I would get sick. And I was like, is this psychosomatic or, like what is going on here? But I would literally, like, I had the flu. Like, I know that it was legit to an extent because I was working for a company and I decided to get a flu shot because they had, that's neither here nor there. I can go down some roads and ramble, but I ended up having a flu shot and I had a bad reaction to that. And so I think that's why I got sick like one of the years. But again, here, like clockwork, I would get sick. And so we would not celebrate on the day. So it might be like the morning after, or, we might meet like that. I think that may have happened one year following Thanksgiving. Um, and it was just weird. It was hard. It was very hard, and I can't even imagine what it was probably like for my dad because I was his partner. They had been together more years than not, so um, I wasn't really even able to be checking in on him, and I really should have been doing that. I was trying to hold it together for myself and my child, and keep marching on. Although I was grieving. Um, but I had one friend during that time who would come home to visit his family every year for Christmas. Maybe Thanksgiving and Christmas, but I more so remember Christmas. And he invited my daughter and I to come over and come over one year. And then the next year, he invited us over again, and we went to go see like Lord of the Rings together with with the family, and and that was kind of how I stuck my, got my toe back into, tiptoeing back into being able to celebrate the holidays um, in a healthy way. And I thanked him and his family for that because it was a really hard time and about a lot of grieving. And it was just helpful to be around people who are celebrating normally in a healthy way, and to be a part of that circle, it made it a little easier. And then my dad and I figured out our new traditions, and we moved forward from there. It's hard to rebuild after you've experienced a trauma like that and losing people who are so close to you. um it is devastating. So I say all that to say, give a little grace to people this time of year because we never know what they're going through. And, check in on your strong friends and check in on friends who have lost their loved ones, not just this year, last year, the year before. I mean, it is a hard process that really does, for many of us. Grieving is a process that it takes time to go through the various phases of grief, and really it never leaves you. So, anywho, happy Thanksgiving.